Woo! I think this is a rare one. What is going on, everybody? John SpankyStokes here with another video review unboxing awesomeness, and as you can see, Janky Series 3. I didn't plan that rhyme, but it's about time. I didn't plan that one either. I've been seeing everybody unbox Series 3. Everybody got their boxes, and finally, the awesome guys over at Superplastic sent out a couple boxes for me to unbox and to check out in person. Big shout out. Thank you guys so much for sending these out, and I look forward to opening these up and seeing which ones I get. Hopefully I get some good ones, because good ones are good. So if you are new to this channel, my name is John SpankyStokes, and I do a lot of reviews, art toy reviews, unboxings. I don't know if I consider them reviews. More just like check stuff out and give you guys a look to see if it's something that piques your interest. Maybe you want to go and buy a blind box or two of what I open, or a figure that you see. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It's jangling. Ding, 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 ding. You see that thing? But it's also, I have the big red thing down below. Just click on that. So these are new boxes. This is Janky Series 3. I've unboxed Janky Series 1, Series 2, and Series 3 now. And I'm really excited. It has a lot of new artists in it. Has some familiar ones. And yeah, I mean, you can still get these on superplastic.com or .co, I think it is. $12 a blind box. These are new cases, the way they're laid out. I'm trying to see how it works. So this slides off. So the slip case. Oh, right here. Okay. Pardon my noobness. Oh, wow, this is very interesting. So case display, that pops out. And then this would slide back behind there. If I owned a store, boom, 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 like, well, it would sit something like that. Very tall and skinny and slender. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 12 in a box. So let's go and push this one off to the side and start opening these. Nice simple box design. Got who you can get right there. So you got Anna Cattish, Caramelaw, Tolleson, Mark Gmehling. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your names. Sentrock, Ricardo, Cavolo, Andrea, Kang, Huck, Wattle, Junko, Mizuno, Ross, Pete Fowler, Guggimon. We got Sket, and yeah, they don't have ratios, or actually they do have ratios. So we'll look into that when we start opening them. But I always open from the bottom, so might as well start from the bottom. Crack them open. Let's see how easy these are to open. Are they glued? This should go a lot faster once I figure. Man, those just rip open. Never mind, that didn't work very good. Yeah, just like the last series, you get a sticker, and then you get a foil pouch, not knowing what you get. The first one is, that looks like, I think that's the Wattle. Yes, that is the Wattle. Wattle. The Lucky Ducky. Clean. Very detailed on such a small figure. And like always, the shoes come off so you can swap out your kicks with the past 2 series. You stand 3.5 inches tall. We'll sit you there, you lucky ducky, and see if I can't open this a little bit better this time. Alright, so I'm just going to cut the cardboard like I normally do. Yeah. That thing is sick. So stickers do not, I repeat, do not correlate with the one inside the package. This looks to be, look at that. Oh, there's accessories. Is there accessory? No, okay. So this is Chopper by Anna Catfish. Look at the hair coming out the back. And she, or Chopper, is it a he? He or she comes with a banana that is actually a shank. That thing is wicked. You do not want to take a bite of that. What does it say? TBLK? Lots of hidden messages on this one. Nana. Got an A up there. 2-8. Yeah. Pretty sweet. I dig it. So far, so good. No dupes. Speaking of dupes, I think what I'll do, like I always do with most of my videos, if you are familiar with watching, if not, when I open up cases, I give my dupes away. So I will be holding a contest. Details will be below in the description on how to enter, and you can enter to win all of the dupes that I pull. All of the dupes that I pull. All of the dupes that I pull. If I pull any dupes. That would be amazing if I didn't. There we go. This is Night Creeper by Andrea Kang. This is the regular version. Very cool. I like all the little triangle details everywhere. Very, very clean quality control. Yeah. Looking good. Alright. Next up. Cut the box. Nice. Chopper there. Let's see, which one is this? Ooh. This is the, what is this called? It's like Sweet Something by Caramelaw. Oh my gosh, that thing is just awesome. It reminds me of Wreck-It Ralph when they go to that Candyland area. Very cool. Nice accessory too. That thing is huge. See if we can get it in this guy's hand, in her hand. Does it go in her hand? I hope it does. Let's try this hand. Let's try this hand. I don't want to break it. There we go. Nice, tight fit. Once again, man, the details on these figures are awesome. Can't say enough. The QC. And And the colors on this one pop like crazy. Very cool. So far, no dupes. Next. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Sticker. Put the box over here. Boom. And looks like, oh, nice. Bird City Saint by Sentrock. Right? What's the ratio on this one? 1 out of 36. That's pretty good. The fact that I pulled that's a good pull right there. And this one actually comes with a sweet mask. Love it. Let's see what it looks like on. Boom. So far, really enjoying this series. Like I said, I saw everybody unboxing them, and I've seen all the photos of most of these. But seeing them in person is just a whole nother thing. So big shout out once again to Superplastic for sending these out. You guys rock. Alright, the next one. We still have another case to open. I'll go as fast as I can, guys. Ooh! What's this one? It's a raid? Does it have a rattler in it? Does the lid? It does. The lid comes off. Is it supposed to rattle? Lemon scent. This is by Sket. And it's a cranky. A janky cranky, a small little dude. That is really cool. And that's a chase. Very cool. Yeah, this box has been great so far, I would say. Super great because no dupes. And I'm pulling some good ones. That one's rad. All right. Oh, forgot the sticker in that box. Oh, this one too. I'm forgetting all the stickers. Okay, let me pull this out. I forgot the sticker in that one. Okay, so it's the one I already had. So it's a Sentrock one. Same. What is this gonna be? Ooh! Nice! This is the Camp Crystal Lake by Guggimon. Guggimon, however you want to pronounce it. Check that out. Nice. Alright, he comes with a slew of accessories. Is slew acceptable to use in this instance? There's 3. That would be a few. A couple would be 2. A few would be 3. A slew would probably be more than 10. A grip is 5. I don't know. How do you guys do slang for measurement? So, Camp Crystal Lake gets a nice little hatchet axe. And then we got a nice little, is that a merce? Man purse? Ooh, that's gonna be a tight fit. Come on, get in there. Okay, that way, yeah, whew, that's a close one. And this one comes with a mask as well. Nice little nod, Camp Crystal Lake, obviously. Well, not obvious. Don't want to sound too pretentious, but it's a reference to Friday the 13th, Jason Voorhees. There you go, the hockey mask, the Slayer. So this one, what did I see? Is this a common? Yeah, 1 out of 18. That's a common. That's really cool. Next, so far, no dupes. Pumped up. Pumped. And got a new sticker, I think. Yeah, Andrea. Or Andrea. Ooh! I think this is a rare one. Whoa, whoa! I just dropped him. You're okay. So this is the Camp Crystal Lake Chase, the zombie edition. And from what I'm seeing, it's 1 out of 96. So that right there is rare. What? And just like his counterpart, he comes with a few accessories. Hatchet. Man, that green. Does he glow? I don't know. Does he glow? I think he might glow. If he doesn't, he sure looks like he should. Nice mask. Stretch that out. Ooh. Come on, get on that head. There we go. Sorry, I'm doing this stuff off camera. I'll try to be better at that. And then his Merce. It's like a Gucci bag probably, knowing Superplastic in their high fashion culture references. Nice. I am pumped. Yeah, this case is boss. People still say that? Or am I dating myself? Yo, that is boss. All right, next. Woo, this is getting good. Can't wait to see what's in this one. All right, what's next? What's next? Hey, it's Janky by Scott Tolleson. Look at that little pickle nose. Look at that pickle nose. Very cool. And this dude comes with a couple accessories. Obviously, he's got his bottle of tonic, his adult beverage. This dude probably drinks moonshine. Come on, get in there. Oh, that's a tight fit. Yeah. Oh, I ripped off his arm. Oh, man. I think I might need to heat this biscuit up with a hairdryer or something. Come on, get in there. I think Janky's gonna have to just wait for his booze in his hand. Maybe I'll try the other arm. Nice thing about these arms, they should pop right back in. My hands aren't working very good though. Come on. Man. It's because I'm holding that silly bottle. Alright. Should just pop right back in. Just like that. Boom. He does come with a hat though, which is cool. So that goes on like so. Scott always brings the heat. Look at the details on that. It's fun. Love that old-timey cartoon feel. You can have your bottle. The bottle might just stand next to him. I don't know if he actually holds it. So that's a 1 out of 18. I think there's a chase version of that as well. It's more like a sepia tone. Sepia tone version. Let's see if we pull that. That would be crazy. Camp Crystal Lake. Oh, this feels big. What's in here? What? Okay. This is Not My Fault by Mark Gmehling. Got them long, stretched out arms that bend down to reveal the sorry. I'm sorry. Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. We're okay. We're okay, USA. We're resilient over here in the United States. Everybody's like all worried about what's going on, or new election. People are happy. People are sad. Just be content, everybody. Just chill. That's my take on it. Yo, pop that in. Very cool. Those are a little weird how they're like misshapen and stuff, but whatever, not a deal breaker. Very unique how the arms go down to reveal a message. But it shouldn't say sorry, it should say we cool. Maybe customizer can go and do that. Say we cool instead of sorry. We're alright. Hanging in there. Resilient. That's what we are. We are resilient. On to the next one. What is the ratio of that one? 1 out of 18. And we haven't pulled him yet. Little Pete Fowler. We will see. Which one is this? Whoa. That thing is crazy looking. That's Bonk by Jor Ross. Sorry for pronouncing it wrong. And this comes with, look at this thing. 4 arms. Nope. This thing comes with, whoa. He has 4 accessories. Got little brass spiked knuckles, a I don't know, pineapple torch weapon, and a mask. And that's a really wicked mask. Look at that thing. So let's put on his mask first. Come on, get on there. So that's the one that you guys see on the box. So you can see the knuckles, they go down here on these hands. Should slide on, maybe. Very carefully, pop it into place. Pop that into place. So far my giveaway isn't looking too good. No dupes. Yet. There will be dupes. Can almost guarantee it. And then this thing, what the heck? Where does this thing go? Maybe back here? It's like a Molotov cocktail or something. Alright. Very interesting. Very cool. Very unique. Loving this entire series. And the last one of this first case. Looking good so far. No duplicates. That's pretty amazing. That's a nice case ratio if you ask me. And here we go. Oh, there it is. There is the Pete Fowler mini hinge. And this guy comes with 4 accessories as well. Lots of accessories, lots of fun, unique designs. And for $12 a blind box, that's I'm very impressed. What does that say? Not now. So this goes here. Little brass knuckles. Not. Come on, get on there. Not. He's got one droopy eye, doesn't he? Or is his hair covering his eye? I don't know. I hope he's okay though. He's saying not now. But I hope he's okay. Kind of looks like he might need some medical help. Logo. And his glasses. Whoa. Let me pop those things on. Alright, those sit on good. And then the hat. There you go. It's like a Sasquatch looking dude. Not now. Whoa. The hat doesn't sit on very good. I wish that sat on a little bit better. More snug, but whatever. Here you go. Fun. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this second case over here. I'm thoroughly impressed with the case ratio, with the figures themselves. Yeah, super plastic. Boom. All right. So let's put those off to the side. Here we go. On to the next. I'm guessing this is where we're going to start getting into duplicates. That's my guess. So Camp Crystal Lake. Okay, so that's a dupe. A dupe. So there's your first one, folks. It's going in the You Can Win Me pile. This seems really light. We will see. Oh, nice. Do not have this one yet. Junko. Let's see the ratio on this. So this is interesting. It comes in a bag. Like the whole thing is an accessory. Okay, so what's the ratio on this one? Wait, is this a chase? Because I'm seeing the pink one. Okay, so let me think here. Blue. So this is a chase. I don't think it has a ratio. Look at that. Score. Nice figure. I'm getting some good luck here. So this series, I don't know if I already said this or not, but it has 14 artists. I don't know how many designs there are, because a lot of these things have chases. Chase figures. That seems really light too. I wonder what this is gonna be. Okay, so there you go. There's another dupe. Is that a chase? No. No. So that goes in the giveaway pile. Give it away now. Oh, here we go. Next. Can't forget the sticker. There we go. Oh, there you go. So that's the other Junko. That's the more common one. Nice. Boom. Look at those together. I love the pastel palette on these. The muted colors, but they're still very vibrant with the designs. And the sculpting. Super unique. My gosh. Yeah, I'm digging it. Or as if I were going to McDonald's, it'd be like, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it, right? No? I'll just stop. Just keep. Spanky, just keep opening the boxes. Just keep opening them. If you guys have made it this far, hit me hit that subscribe button. What is this one? This is a dupe. Camp Crystal Lake. Going in the give it away, give it away, give it away pile. Alright, next. After this there are 6 more to go. 6 more. Oh, don't forget the sticker. There you go. Ooh! Nice. There's the cranky, the raid one. There you go. We got that one. So we're gonna give it away, give it away, give it away now. Pretty sure you're tired of me saying that, but I think that's a chase. So maybe it's not. Is that a chase? Yeah, it is. It is a chase. So that's a cool giveaway. Go. Next. What is this one? Alright, that's the Caramelaw. It's a dupe, so we will put that in the giveaway pile with a sticker. So all the rules for the giveaway will be down below. Basically, I think what I'm going to do is it's going to be free shipping in the US. But if you live outside the US, if you win it, just agree to pay shipping. And that's it. And these will be yours. Which one is this? Yeah! Nice. So this one is a chase. This is the sepia, or sepia, however you want to pronounce it, tone version of Scott Tolleson's Janky. Let's get his hat on. We know what he does with that bottle, so we will just keep that over here and put the hat on. There you go. Look at that. Looks good, right? Okay, and there is the bottle. Very cool. So we'll put that right there. Actually, we can compare these. And so there you can see one's monochromatic and one's sepia. That's very, very cool. Totally dig it. Nice work, Scott. On to the next one. 4 more left, guys. We're almost there. We are almost there. And then we will call it quits. That's a cool sticker. Alright, next. What is this one? Feels like really big. Oh, nice. Huck. Didn't pull this one out. This is Handsome Jack by Huck. Huck G. Dapper Scoundrels. Very nice. And he as well comes with a bottle. But him and Janky get along real good. Look at this little hat. So this pulls apart. Boom. Sits on just like so. That's clean. Really, really cool. Maybe I'll put the bottle in like like there, like he's in a relay race and they're throwing the baton, maybe. There's got to be a trick to getting these things in other than heating up the hands, right? I'm sure you guys are all yelling at your screen right now. You're doing it wrong. But there you go. He's got his bottle. That's a tight fit though. Sweet. So that is 1 out of 24. Man, look at that series. Look at them all. Just look at it. Just look at them. The details are very impressive on this whole series. I always forget that. I always forget the sticker. What is this one? Was ist das? Okie dokie. That is a duplicate. So you, and by you I mean you guys watching, will get this if you win the contest. Next. Boom. Trying to hurry up. Next. Come on. Okay, that as well as a dupe. Get that hair in there. So that goes in the duplicate pile. Last one, folks. If you've made it this far, once again, just thank you guys for watching. You guys rock. I appreciate the patronage. People coming by, checking out my YouTube channel. Boom. And last but not least, is it another dupe? We shall see. No, I don't have that one. So this is a chase. Very cool. So here, this is by Andrea Kang. The Night Creeper. Clean. Very, very cool. Very cool. So there you have it. Series 3 Janky. What do you guys think? Let's go and pull this down. I'll unhinge ya. We can check it out. Look at all the ones I pulled. I can't even count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's crazy. I know I'm missing a few chases, different color variants, but all in all, this was a good unboxing, a good score for case ratios and figure ratios, and I'm just really impressed with the figures themselves and how they look together. I think I said that for Series 1 and for Series 2, but man, look at all the diversity. Just really, really cool. Superplastic does it again. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button below. It's the red thing. And, you know, share this video with your friends. Have them enter too. Tell your mom, tell your dad. That's the way that this channel grows. And I do more giveaways. When the channel grows, I get, you know, more people sending stuff out, and I can give that stuff away too. So I appreciate it. Once again, you guys rock. Like always, like I always say, peace and hair grease. Don't drink too much, sonny.